Hi guys, nothing in the charity shops today caught my eye, so I went into Biology, which is one of those bargain stores that sells all sorts of interesting stuff. Biology, £1.99, basically a Lego flower by another name. Wizz toys. Not suitable for children under 36 months, small parts. Yeah. I was going to put it in the car for something to do when Nanny's visiting her friends, but then I realised 150 pieces. Lots of small pieces that will get lost down the side of the seat in the car. So we'll do it here, and we'll open it up and put the bits in the tray. So we've got a fighting chance of not losing them. Oh, there is instructions. There we are. Finished. That took far too long to put together. No way I'd have been able to do that sitting in the car. I'd have lost all the pieces under the chairs. Anyway, job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.